2026 F-250 in here today, getting a whole bunch of goodies. We're gonna be doing a 3.5-inch Carli suspension lift kit with the works, every option, doing full paint match, tearing everything off. We've got it a little over halfway tore down, doing everything up front, almost all the trim down the truck, the door handles, any steps, bumper, front and rear, tailgate plaque, tail lights, third brake light. It's all getting it. I'm doing some wheels and tires as well. Stay tuned and you'll be able to see the full process. Alright guys, we got the front of the lift kit just about done. We got springs, shocks, radius arm drop all installed. Next thing we're going to be doing is changing out our caster slugs, replacing the factory brake hoses with steel braided brake hoses, putting in the aftermarket Carli track bar bracket and track bar. Then we're going to move to the rear leaf springs, rear shocks, rear bump stops, and we'll get this thing put on its aftermarket wheels, put it on the ground, put the paint match stuff back on it. Alright guys, we got our lift kit done. We got the truck sitting right outside. Paint match showed up yesterday. Got it all laid out. We did, everything's done two-tone with the marsh gray and the agate black. Really good work here. First class paint shop. Josh Waters did all this for us. All the detail is just phenomenal. All the two-tone, all the inlays, the overlays, all of that looks incredible. So our next step is going to be getting this stuff back on here onto the truck. We'll pull it in, put everything back on, and then we'll get to our Baja Designs stuff. We got a bunch of lights that are going to be going on next. So once all that's done, we'll bring you back, let you see it. Well, we got her all wrapped up, brought her out front. 2026 F-250 King Ranch, fully optioned out Carli lift kit. Carli springs, Carli reservoir shocks, Carli radius arms, limiting straps, radius arm drop, rear reservoir shocks, Carli torsion sway bar system, steel braided brake hoses, you name it, it's on it. Got that matched up with some, I believe 18x9 foundation wheels with some 38, 1350, 18 Toyo Open Country RTs. So super cool setup, rides really good. Carli, some of the best suspension you can put on your truck. Toyo, some of the best tires you can put on your truck. Put those together, you're gonna have a great ride. Fully paint matched, everything. We did two-tone grill, changed out our fog light inlays, and we also changed out the fog lights to Baja Designs. Every piece of plastic, every piece of trim, every single thing on this truck that was not already black or marsh gray has been paint matched. Door handles, mirrors, emblems, grill, bezels, little pieces of plastic, you name it, it's been done. We have our big set of 5 Baja Designs LP6 lights. These have 2 different functions, but 3 different lights. You have a low setting, a high setting, and then you have an amber backlight option on those. These Baja Designs lights right here, these are the squadrons. We have 1 white, 1 yellow. Other than what we've paint matched, we've also done some wrap to extend out the blackout. We did the door trim right here. We also did the little chrome piece that runs along your step boards right here. Those are wrapped. We did those in-house. Last piece of the Carli system we did was actually replace the leaf springs with the Carli leaf packs. And this truck, it rides amazing.